Hey, it's your girl Keisha Mogney, and I'm biggity back. I'm biggity back. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Period. And we going up. You heard? We going up. But this gonna be a video on my busy bike, my e-scooter, not a bike, my e-scooter. Okay. I'm gonna fix it. They're gonna watch me fix it because it's messed up. I got my part, and we're gonna open that up together too. My part came this morning. I was fiending. UPS man was at the door. Was like, "You la la la." I'm like, "Yes, that's me. Get me right back in, baby." Period. So we're gonna open that up together, and y'all gonna watch me fix it. That's what I do. I'm handy dandy. Period. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Yep. Take the four screws out. That is it. This is how you replace a console on a 4G Gotrax scooter, electric scooter. This is take the four links off. Yeah.
Oh, and I'm kind of a big deal in the art world again. So if anything should happen
You gotta
to
remove
me,
the brake too.
you'll find I have just as many rich and powerful friends as you do. Any chops?
Remove the brake. You pull. You pull. And take it out. That is it.
I don't want to more water. It's all right now.
Can you stop that, please? Thank you.
Hello, Gabriella. I want to play a game.
No, stop it. Stop it.
I'm afraid that's not going to work. You are going to have to play the game.
That is it. So I'm gonna cut it on and see if it works. Down the garbage. Down the garbage. But that is it. I can't even check it because I can't even ride it because my tires don't have no air. I'm fucking hot. What? The what? The what? Oh, you don't like that stuff? But that is how you replace. I hope this video was good because I only could work with what I could work with. Like, you know what I'm saying? Noise in the background, everybody interrupting, so it's like, that's what I could do. But yeah, that's how you replace a console on a 4G electric scooter, Gotrax. But yeah, it's on, but that one was on too. The problem was it would move, and I can't even check if it moved because I need to literally like, you know, kickstart it, like scoop. You know what I'm saying? But I can't even do that in here because it's no room, and I'm not gonna take it outside to try because I ain't got no air in the tires. So I'd rather try it in here, but I can't. So yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. I really hope y'all learned something. But check this bell out. Who's ever gonna use that bell? Sound like an ice cream truck. Nobody's ever gonna use that bell. But it's over. So peace.